we have this outdoor spigot, and no water is out of it because it's missing the what? What's the part that goes inside it's missing?
Just the valve. Turn it on and off.
Yeah, on-off switch. So
on-off valve. It's
on-off
not a switch
valve.
like a light switch.
An on-off valve.
Shows how much we don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing. And we want to get water out of this to be able to, water the plants back here. So we are now pulling it out. So we're going to use the wrench.
The wrench.
Actually turn it, try and unscrew. We don't know if it was...
It unscrewed. We broke it loose.
We broke it loose. It unscrewed. We're going to pull it all the way out. Oh, we're doing it. I'm so excited. Oh gosh, it's like in the brick. So we don't know if it's too... It looks like it's not soldered on. It was just screwed on potentially. So hoping we can get it out. We need to know how deep it is to go buy a new one at the store. Oh, we got it. Okay, so what do we think? Was that soldered on? Was it screwed on? Looks like there was maybe copper.
It was just shut to the outside of it.
Can we see inside the hole? Okay, so we went to the store. We measured the old spigot we took out, and it was 6 inches long from the spot that goes into the, that comes out of the wall to the end. So this one is 6 inches long. So we're gonna try it. This is the best one the Home Depot guy said we could use. Now there is threading on the outside. It's a screw-in one. And the last one looks like it actually went on the outside, not screwed in. Looks like it might have been soldered. But to solder, we're gonna have to hire someone. So we're going to attempt to see if maybe the threading, they jimmy rigged the last one and we could thread and screw it on. So we're gonna take this and it's gonna go right into this hole. But first thing we notice is we can't get it in the hole. So this bolt right here is actually too thick for the hole. So now we're gonna have to take the drill and drill around the outside of the hole to make it a little wider to get this part through, and we'll see what happens. You can see he's just trying to widen the hole there by actually running the drill along the inside ridge.
Where's the...
All right, let's see if it fits yet. Nope, not yet. Let's try a little more. Okay, round 2. No. Maybe a little more.
Yes.
Attempt number 3.
Get closer.
A little more. Cleaning out the hole. Attempt number 4. Oh. Well, it went in initially. Okay, I think we got it wide enough now. Let's see. Okay, we're in. Okay. Now, can we screw it in is the question.
It's just been a problem. Like,
are you catching anything?
we're there. I mean, it's metal on metal.